Hey guys, my name is Luis Rodriguez and I'll be doing the assembly and animation. Again, as you guys know, I am teaming up with Annie Nguyen on this final project and collaboration within this presentation. So let's get started with the assembly. So with the assembly, I believe that these tools are the most important tools that operated the autonomous robot successfully. Without these tools, then definitely the autonomous robot wouldn't be able to operate successfully. So definitely really important tools and interesting tools that I find. Let's start with the gear motors. So the gear motors is a specially designed DC motor whose gearly assembly helps in increasing the torque and reducing the speed. Again, really interesting tool. Number two would be the ultrasonic sensor. Basically, this is a sensor that can measure distance and emits an ultrasound at 40,000 Hz. This tool travels through the air, and if there is an object or an obstacle on its path, it will bounce back to the module. I find this tool really interesting, and it makes the robot interesting itself, so definitely a tool to consider. Number three would be the Arduino Uno R3 controller board. This is a microcontroller board based on a removable dual inline package. It connects with a breadboard because it has breadboard jumper wire cables cohesive with each other, and the breadboard is a solderness construction based used for developing an electronic circuit and wiring for projects. So definitely these two tools work with each other well, and they are so cohesive to each other. Number five would be the two wheels. So the motor board controls the motors, and the control board reads the sensors and decides how to operate. The Arduino robot is the first official Arduino on wheels. If you guys do not know, the motor board controls the motors, and the control board reads the sensors and decides finally how to operate. So definitely a really interesting tool. Without the wheels, the robot wouldn't be able to move at all. Number six would be the four batteries. So basically, this is what operates everything, um, including the coding. Definitely, without the coding or the four batteries, the robot wouldn't be able to operate. So definitely, these are tools to consider when building an Arduino robot. So let's go ahead and get to the animation part.